Have you ever wondered, bakit may mga kanta na tumatatak agad sa puso mo? Or bakit may music na kahit instrumental lang, ay ramdam mo na agad yung emotion? If you love music and you're studying arts, this will help you understand bakit ang isang song is catchy, emotional, or powerful. Let's break down the 8 core elements of music in a simple way. Number 1, melody. Melody is the tune of the song. Ito yung part na kinakanta natin. Yung pinakamadaling tandaan, siya yung parang main character ng music. Katulad dito, pakinggan natin. The tune is very clear and easy to follow. Kahit walang lyrics, makikilala mo agad yung kanta. That's melody. Number 2, rhythm. Rhythm is a pattern of beats. Ito yung nagbibigay ng galaw at groove sa music. Kapag napapaheadnut ka at napapatap ang paa, that's rhythm. We were, rock you. The focus is on the pattern of the beats, not the tune. Number 3, tempo. Tempo is the speed of music. Pwede siyang slow and relaxing, or fast and energetic. Tempo can totally change the mood. Compare natin. Pakinggan ito.
Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
Game start. 아파트 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 아파트.
Parehong may melody at rhythm, pero magkaibang bilis, kaya iba din ang mood. Number 4, dynamics. Dynamics refers to volume. Malakas ba o mahina? Ito yung nagbibigay ng drama at emotion sa kanta. Papansin mo ang change ng lakas dito. Tara, pakinggan natin. You can clearly hear the change from soft or yung tinatawag na piano into loud or yung tinatawag naman na forte. Number 5, timbre. Timbre is a tone color or quality of sound. Kahit same note, iba ang tunog ng piano sa violin. That difference is timbre. Para marinig ang difference, listen to this. Number 6, harmony. Harmony happens when 2 or more notes are played together. Ito yung nagbibigay ng depth at fullness sa music. Like for instance, yung mga choir sa simbahan, yun din ang tinatawag na harmony.
안녕하세요. 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 안녕하세요.
Number 7, texture. Textures is how many layers of sounds na narinig mo. Boses lang ba o a cappella? O may backup instruments or backup vocals? Mas maraming layers, mas thick ang texture. Kapag solo singers ka na walang instrument, that is thin texture. Pero kapag full band na may guitar, bass, violin, piano, yan naman ang tinatawag na thick texture. And finally, number 8, form. Form is the structure of the song. Ito yung nag-organize ng buong music. Parang blueprint siya. May verse, may chorus, at may bridge. Kapag sa isang music, may napapansin kang repeating sections like verse, chorus, at bridge. That is what we call form. So, next time na makikinig ka ng favorite songs mo, try mo i-break down. When these elements join together, that is what we call music. See you on the next Net Dive!